Hi there, my name is Desiree, and I want to talk to you today about something that affects millions of people worldwide: tinnitus. If you suffer from ringing in the ears, you know just how frustrating and disruptive it can be to your daily life. Thankfully, there are a variety of options available to help manage and alleviate tinnitus symptoms. From hearing aids and cochlear implants to natural remedies and supplements, there are many ways to find relief. That's why I want to introduce you to Cortexi, a powerful natural supplement designed to support and promote healthy hearing. With ingredients like minerals and plant-based compounds, Cortexi is a safe and effective way to address the underlying causes of tinnitus and hearing loss. But don't just take my word for it, check out the glowing reviews from satisfied customers who have experienced real results with Cortexi. Whether you're looking for a tinnitus relief supplement, a hearing aid support supplement, or an ear-ringing treatment supplement, Cortexi has you covered. So don't let tinnitus hold you back any longer. Visit the official Cortexi website in the description below and try this amazing supplement for yourself. Your ears will thank you.